Hello, can you all hear me? Were all of you disconnected for some reason? Um, oh, okay. That's very strange. Okay, okay, great. You all rejoined. I believe there was some technical issue. All of us got disconnected, but great, we are back.
Yeah. Hi, good evening, everybody. Good evening. No, all network issues is resolved now. Yeah, all of them are resolved.
Yeah.
Yeah, great. So I wanted to ask you, before coming, I want you to think for a moment before I introduce myself, before Sakshi introduces me. I want to tell you, you'll hear two friends talking. Okay, any two friends. Let's like one is Anil, one is Sunil. Huh? So Anil is saying, I didn't get good marks in my CBSE, and Sunil says, neither did I. So Anil is saying, what to do? I don't get it. I'm not able to get admission in any of the good colleges or universities. Sunil says, I'm going for my postgrad. But same here, I'm not able to get admitted. My life seems to be very defeated. So Anil says, let's go abroad. And he says, which country? Canada? Canada seems to be the perfect place. Now, but for Canada or for UK or for Australia or for New Zealand, yeah, we have to give an IELTS exam. So what does the friend answer? IELTS is very difficult. I don't think you'll be able to clear IELTS. Your English is not that good. So what does Anil say? Okay, I believe Leap Scholar is having a free masterclass. Let's go and attend that. So all of you are here. Now, what does Sunil tell him? He says, you know what leap means? Leap means to jump. And Leap Scholar has actually jumped. Like they've got the best results, I believe, in all the IELTS exams. So Anil says, okay, let's try it out. So very good evening. I am Atul Gulati from IELTS Leap Scholar. Okay. Very good evening, all of you. Please send me a good evening. Yeah. Are you all ready? Great. Are you all ready to leap also forward? Are you all ready to jump forward? Have you come with the mind that I'm going to get? Have you come with a serious mind? Let me know how many of you are with a serious mind here to crack IELTS in the first attempt. Tell me. Great, wonderful, excellent. Very, very nice. Great. I'm so glad you're all serious and you are all geared up. So, like Leap Scholar, you want to leap? You want to jump? Yes. You know, we are going to clear IELTS in our first exam. Yes. Great. Okay. Now tell me, I'm going to make the class very interesting for you. Okay. Not that you think you come to, come to attend a very boring IELTS class. It's not going to be like that. So, and we'll make it very informative for you. You'll enjoy it and you'll learn a lot, right? First, I want to tell you, I want to divide you all into two groups. So tell me quickly, like how many, should we do it boys and girls? That way, should we have two teams? Yeah. Is that okay? Fine. Great. Okay. So let me see how many girls. Please raise up your hands. How many girls are there today? Let me have a look. Please raise your hand. Sakshi, approximately how many?
Uh, yes, so we have 190 girls. I think, sir, it would be difficult for us to find out
Yeah,
because names, yeah,
okay, doesn't matter. I was very keen to make a team so that whenever we do an activity, let's see who wins. Yeah,
yeah,
we'll
we
try
can do
our.
alphabetical, like,
Yeah, okay, let's do it alphabetically. Okay,
yes,
all those from whose name starts with from A till M. Okay, they will be in one group, boys and girls together. Today, there's no gender difference, right? So all the boys and girls whose names start from A till M. Okay, that's team one. Done. All the candidates from letters M to Z, team two. Done. Yes. So let's see which team wins in the end. Okay. Great. So should we begin? Fantastic. All right. Now, Sakshi, please, would you like to say something?
yes. So I see everyone is very excited for the class. Wait to see the energy. So we'll be doing both the listening and the speaking section. So I hope all of you are like completely excited because we'll be doing two sections, and you have to be very active so that you can grasp everything. The lecture might go a bit fast, so be very attentive so that you are able to grab everything that we teach. And we have Atul sir here with us, who has 20 years of experience. But by his energy, people would think that he is only, his age is 20 years. So he is a very energetic person, and I hope all of you enjoy the class today. Yes, sir, we
Thank you,
can start.
Sakshi. Thank you so much. So let's begin. I'll tell you a little bit about IELTS first, okay? IELTS, you all must be knowing, is a language exam, right? IELTS is a language exam. Like I said in the beginning, if you are wanting to go abroad to study to in Canada, UK, Australia, New Zealand, UK, so you have to appear for IELTS, right? It's mandatory. And IELTS is testing your English proficiency, your competence of English in 4 sections. Now, which are those 4 sections? Let me see. How many team 1, team 2, which are the 4 sections of IELTS? Quickly tell me, please. Yes, very good. LRWS, great, great. Very nice. I'm trying to keep a track, okay? Wonderful. Yes, okay. Many of you know then LRWS, right? So listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Great, great, wonderful. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Vishnu, Bharat, Hiral, Kajal, Simranjeet. Thank you so much, Manat, Arunpreet, Neetu, Ikra, Priya. Thank you. Thank you very much, Kamar. And ready. So now, in these 4 sections, in the master classes at Leap Scholar, we cover them every day, like single day, not all the sections. We have a free masterclass every day, and we cover all the 4 modules. Now, IELTS, you can appear in 2 modules, like 2 formats, either a computer-based exam or a paper-based. Now, many of you have this question in mind, right? It goes on in your mind, IDP or British Council. So don't worry. Basically, the exam, IELTS exam is owned by University of Cambridge. Okay, University of Cambridge has given the right to conduct the exams in India to 2 organizations, IDP and British Council. Therefore, they are, like I'm saying, Bhupinder, both are same in format, content, protocol. So you don't have to worry. As far as the computer or paper-based, well, if your typing speed is good, I would advise you to definitely join the computer. I mean, try to give the exam, computer-based exam. If your typing is a little slow, and if you feel you are not able to do it, then don't worry. There's not much of a difference really. It's just as in the computer-based exam, in the writing section, you don't have to do a word count. You can copy paste. It's more easier, more accurate, right? Otherwise, basically, don't worry about that. Look at a test center which is convenient. That's okay. So let's get going. Today we are going to do the listening, and we are going to practice to listening together. Okay, so I'll just tell you a little bit, a very little small note on listening. So what happens in the listening test? First, when you go for the exam, basically in order of sequence, this will be listening to the second exam. Okay, so now that for both, it's actually we are focusing only on academic students, but the test is same for the general ones also. Now the listening test is for 40 minutes. Okay, what happens? You hear an audio clip or an audio conversation. All right, like you can read on the slide. It is 2 people in the beginning, social context, or then up to 4 people. Sometimes it's just by 1 on an academic subject. So what is the strategy in listening? What is the good Zoom user? I have read your name before, first time, but good. Okay, so what is the strategy in listening? Strategy is read ahead. All right, just remember always, yes, Namish, I agree with you. In listening, many times people do face a problem in maps, but don't worry, we will definitely, yes, we have to, Nikhil, we have to concentrate, we have to focus. In the listening test, focusing is very important, right? And read ahead. So you will wonder why I'm saying read ahead when you're doing a listening exam. But when you just practice with us, you will hear the speaker say, now you will listen to questions 1 to 6. So therefore, when you are going to read the questions 1 to 6, you must read quickly, not that you'll get stuck at question 2 or 3, right? So your neighbor, your friend might have read all the 6 questions and you don't want him to get a better band. Yes, Bhupinder, you have to follow the conversation, right? So please read the questions, try to focus, and then I'm sure you'll be able to get the answer. So are we all ready to attempt the listening exam? We'll try a short time, just 15 minutes, and then we'll do speaking also. Okay, we have to see which team wins in both of them. Fine, great, great. So Sakshi, can we please begin?
Yes, sir, just a moment.
Thank you so much. Okay, so till then I'm just continuing. Sakshi is just going to put on and I hope you all have a piece of paper and a pen or a pencil ready, so that listening is a simultaneous process, right, of listening and writing. When you are listening, Well, while you are listening, you are supposed to take down notes. So that's why somebody said concentration. That at that moment, your focus, your concentration has to be in full swing. Okay, so we are going to tell our minds not to wander, not to think of anything, just to hear the audio, and we are going to write down the answers once we've read the questions, like question 1 to 6, I said, or 1 to 10, whatever it may be. Fine, it won't be more than 6, 7, I feel. So this is a good test, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. And I'm sure you're going to do very well. You know why? Because listening is the most scoring section of all the IELTS sections. If you get a good band in listening, now you know there are 40 questions, right? Out of 40 questions, if you manage to get 35 correct, you know what you get? You get an 8 band. I hope all of you know that in IELTS, your English level of competence is measured against bands. So if you're getting a 9 band, that means you are an expert user of English. Your command over English is excellent. But don't worry, we all are going to aim at a very good band, right? 8.5. Are you all with me? Yes? Okay, so let's begin. Let's begin the listening test, please. I think it's going to take Sakshi just a while, because listening is actually very difficult to play, but we are going to do it with you. Thank you, Jaspreet.
Part 1.
You will hear a conversation between Annetta and Charlotte, first-year university students, and Bill, who works for the Student Union Employment Service. First, you have some time to look at questions 1 to 5. Listen carefully to the conversation and answer questions 1 to 5.
Hi Bill, this is my friend Charlotte. She's doing first year science too.
Pleased to meet you, Charlotte. Annetta told me you want some part-time work. Now, I just have to complete your details on the computer. What's your surname?
Johnston.
With an E?
Yes, Johnstone.
I know that you live in the Heathfield Street student residence, but I can't remember the street number there.
It's 126.
126. Good. And the phone number?
Well, actually, I never give people that number because sometimes nobody answers or they forget to pass on the messages. So, I bought a mobile phone yesterday, but I can't remember the number. I think it's 0414 847 748. I'll just check. No, sorry, not 748. It's 749.
0414 847 749?
Yes, that's right. I must try and remember it.
And what sort of work are you looking for?
Well, anything really, I suppose, though it depends when it is. I'd rather work during the day, if that's possible.
How many hours a week were you thinking of?
Oh, I'm not sure. Maybe about 10. But I need to keep at least 2 days a week free for study.
Do you have any work experience?
Not much, though I used to help in my uncle's shop when I was at school.
OK, well, I'll put it in, but we don't usually get shop work. What about gardening?
I'd rather not. Everything I touch dies. What other kinds of work are there?
Well, there's a lot of demand for house cleaning, fast food preparation and kitchen work and pizza delivery if you've held a driving licence for 12 months.
I'm not sure. Can I have a look at the vacancies while you talk to Annetta?
Before you hear the rest of the conversation, you have some time to look at questions 6 to 10.
Sir, I think actually some people were not able to see questions.
I do understand. Is it visible now for
now?
everybody? I did see that Mithu and Deepak, you all said it was not visible. Is it clear
Sir,
to everybody?
answering, so I
Sorry?
think that is visible to everyone.
Yeah. Okay, most of them are saying yes, Sakshi.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
Great. All right.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Pritesh. Sarath.
Bill, I'd like to change my job.
You're at the Hamburger Express on the High Street, aren't you? What's the problem?
Well, I never know what hours I'm going to work. I start at 7 p.m. and I'm supposed to finish at 11 p.m, but sometimes they keep me until 2 or 3 a.m.
Yes, that is a bit late if you have to make a 9 a.m. lecture the next day.
And the other thing is the pay. They're supposed to pay me on Thursdays, but they never pay me on the correct day, often not until Friday or Saturday. A few weeks ago, I had to wait until Sunday. They said their son was sick, so they couldn't get to the bank, but they're always making excuses.
Yes, that doesn't sound too good. Would you be interested in pizza delivery? You need to have a driving licence.
Yes, I've got a licence, but I think I'd like to change from working in the evening. Are there any day jobs available?
Well, as I told Charlotte, there are several cleaning and gardening vacancies. And this childcare job that just came in this morning. Do you like children?
Yes, I do actually. What's the job?
Let's have a look. Collect the boy aged 4 from kindergarten at 3 p.m. Pick up the other 2 girls who are aged 6 and 9 from the primary school at 3:15. You take them home and look after them. The parents will be home by 7.
That sounds quite good. What about the pay?
It's the same as you're earning now, 4 hours a day, Monday to Friday, so 20 hours a week. You need to contact Mrs. Alicia Thompson. Her phone number is 91045629 and she lives in Springfield.
I've never been to Springfield. I hope I don't get lost.
Don't worry. It sounds quite straightforward. Let's have a look at the street directory. The Thompsons live here in Tulip Street, number 252. So you catch the 631 bus, get off here next to the post office in Daisy Terrace. Walk past the post office to the corner, and on the opposite corner is the kindergarten. Then walk down Daffodil Place and cross over to the primary school. Then keep going down Daffodil Place to the corner and turn right into Tulip Street.
That is the end of part 1.
Do you want to do part 2, sir?
I think no, I think that'll be enough, Sakshi, because some of them are not able to hear, right? I'm so sorry. We'll see the answers now. Guys, let's check the answers, okay? Let's see what you all scored. So please tell us, what your score was on the chat box. We are anxiously looking forward to which team gets a better score, right? Although I want each one of you to win, each one of you to do the listening exam and, do very well, right? Because it's very scoring. Okay, please have a look at the answers.
Yeah. There you go. You can also
and be honest about your score, okay? Just honestly send it to us. Great, Siddhu, Dolly, Naren, wow, Vishnu, very good, Ashwini, Palak, Khushbu, Mary, wow, all very good scores. Priya, Santosh, Ronak, Shreya, Haman, okay, Deep, Simran, Sabha, wow, Rohini, we're getting in so many answers. Fantastic. Superb. Really good. Keep it up. Remarkable. Wow, Manat, Aisha, Nishok, very nice. Arzu 10. Wow. Sakshi 9. Ote. 2 wrong. That's in the first attempt, it's commendable. Great, Sanket. Radhika 10. Very good. Some are saying all correct. Excellent. Rhythm, Siddharth. Doesn't matter if one, if you didn't score well also, don't worry, don't get disheartened, it's fine. Yeah, you're at least enjoying your studying, right? Exams are never enjoyable, but if you're enjoying doing it, it's great. Huh? You don't worry if you got 4 correct, you don't have to worry. I told you with us at Leap Scholar, right? Leave your worries behind, say bye to them. Goodbye worries, no fears, no worries, right? Yes, I hope you're enjoying Raksha. We also want to. Yes. Dipasvi, okay, colon. Deepika, very nice, Neetu. Okay, great, great. Very nice. We'll tell you actually all about, the listening formats and all the rules. I may not be able to answer each and every question because I see a lot of you are also very keen to practice speaking with us, right? So I don't want to delay that also. And we have to see, right? I'm trying to keep a tab on which team is winning, and we'll do that in the end, right? Once we finish speaking, we must, see which team wins, huh? So, and also I'm sure that both the teams are doing very, very well, right? Now, this was the listening. I hope all of you, besides doing it, did you enjoy? Were you focused? All of you were focused? Don't worry, Arshit. If you didn't know, we'll definitely, like I tell you, we'll certainly tell you how to answer, right? Don't get upset at all. Yeah, this was just an attempt. This is just to show you, it's a trailer like you see of a movie. Like you all watch Netflix and all nowadays. I'm sure you don't get the exact episode till you see the trailer. So this was just a trailer, right? Okay, great. So now we will I'll just tell you a little bit, doesn't matter, Lakshmi. Okay, good. This is your first class. I'm very happy that you are here on a very good day and you're going to practice speaking and listening. Okay. So before we take a break, I'll just tell you a little bit about the speaking section. So you know that, right? The speaking section is for how long? Okay, now again, team, let me see. How long is the speaking section? Any idea? Let's send up. Right. Good. Very nice. Yes. Some are absolutely correct. Yeah. So the correct answer is 15. Yes. 13 to 14 minutes. Most accurate answer. Very good. Wonderful. Now, what does the examiner look for in the speaking exam? There's no right or wrong opinion, right? No wrong or right opinion. So yes, Mudassar, grammar, vocabulary, then fluency, excellent, confidence, of course. Okay. So all of you, like plus 620 people, are all of you confident today to speak? Yeah. Great. Okay. Very nice. So I'll tell you there are 3 parts in speaking, right? Part 1, part 2, and part 3. Okay. We have to actually jump over the sections today because of paucity of time. So part 1 is we'll do part 1 today. Okay. Part 1 is all about you, yourself, your hobbies, your interests, what you do. So the examiner, actually, can we just go ahead with the presentation and then we'll take a 2 minutes break. So this is the speaking module, guys. Have a look. All right. Just let's focus on it for a minute only. Part 1 is, like I said, familiar topics. Are you fond of music? Are you fond of walking? Are you fond of dancing? I'm sure we all are, right? Then what kind of music do you like to listen to? What is the, the topic of conversation when you go out with your friends? What kind of weather do you enjoy? So it's all about you, your hometown, your interests, your family. Good, now? And what do you answer it? Let's see. Let's have a look at how we answer. Okay. We answer in part 1 in only 2 sentences, not less, but if the examiner is going to ask you, what kind of weather you're fond of, please don't just say, I enjoy autumn or I like spring. These are good words to use, but we have to speak more. We have to elaborate more because the examiner is going to judge you. But let me tell you, even when you walk in the examiner's room and the examiner asks you, what is your full name? Even by that one answer, the examiner will be able to judge your level of English. All right. So Bhupinder, in part 1, 2 sentences, like I said, 2. Okay. So not to say one, just a very short answer, but please, we must elaborate. Okay. I'll tell you as we go on. And Sakshi, could we see the next slide, please? And then I'll call few of you. Okay. I hope you're all ready to speak. I would love to hear you speak, and I would love to tell you what is more important. See, both are all very important. So have a look. Just have a look at the approach. In part 1, we would never try to give memorized answers, right? We will give full answers, but we won't talk for long because the examiner has limited time. They have to do all 3 parts with you. So speak in 2 sentences. fuller answers are expected in part 3. All right. And they're all spontaneous. You don't get any time. So like, for example, let me give you an example. How do you answer in part 1? Okay. Let's say they ask you, why is music important in life? So if you just say, well, music, I enjoy music. Music is very good for everybody. Everybody feels refreshed. That's also not a bad answer. But let's use topic specific vocabulary. All right. So we'll say music is very relaxing, soothing. It's very refreshing. Music is in fact therapeutic. What does therapeutic mean? Good for the soul. So I'm not trying to give you only high sounding words. You can use good vocabulary. I'm just trying to show you what a good answer should be. All right. And you can, you can also say like happy hormones are built when we listen to music. Same line you can use if they ask you walking, swimming, dancing, anything, that we build happy hormones. Is it that okay? Huh? Which name did you mean? Therapeutic? I said it's good for the soul, right? So now before we come on and call all of you to answer in part 1, I would really enjoy and I would love to give you feedback, and I'm sure you would also want it. So we'll just take a 2 minutes break because I see a lot of questions in the chat box and Sakshi would definitely like to answer them. Please, Sakshi.
Yes. So I hope all of you have been enjoying the session right now. And we already did the listening section. Now we are onto the speaking section as well. So in such a short amount of time, we've already done so much. I hope you feel the same. Apart from this, so as I said in the beginning, the master classes are free classes. So you can join it every day with the same link. So you must have used the link today. So you can use it every day and join in at 7:30. We take up different sections. Apart from this, we also have our crash courses. So I'll give you a very short brief about what crash courses are. So master classes will definitely give you an overview about all the different sections. We are also going to cover all these things. I'm just moving forward. Yeah. So as you can see, our students have had the best scores in India, 8.5, 8. So I think every one of you must be willing to get a similar score so that you can apply to any college that you want. So colleges do require a minimum band, and you have to check what is the minimum band for your dream college. But
there's Sakshi who said I want a 9 band. So they are setting new standards for us. I told you in the beginning, we are all ready to leap, all ready to jump with Leap Scholar. So see Leap Scholar slide. You can see the results. These are all our students who, like you, attended the master class. Tell me one thing. All of you at home have heard, no, you are all familiar with Papa कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा, right? Name, I'm going to change my life. I'm going to do so well in life, right? So then please have a look, be serious and see like how we have helped our students in our crash courses. Okay. Thank you, Sakshi.
Yeah. So as you can see, we have a lot of different options for you all. So the weekend batch, as you can see over here. So a lot of you might be working professionals. You might not have time during the day, morning or evening. And after a full day of work, you might be, completely exhausted. So we have weekend batches, especially for working professionals. So these are live classes and it would be for 2 hours on Saturday and Sunday. And this would be for 5 weeks. So in 5 weeks, we'll cover all the modules. We'll give you the mock test. We'll also, evaluate your speaking, and that would be one-on-one. And you will also get a writing evaluation as well. And all of this only for $499. Everything. One-on-one speaking evaluation, which itself is, a very costly thing. If you go on the websites or on different websites over there. So again, only for a speaking evaluation of 15 minutes, they charge you 500 rupees. We're giving you 5 weeks of lectures, plus mock test, plus writing evaluation, plus speaking, also the recording, everything only for $499. So I'll just share the link now. You all can quickly go.
Please have a look. See, when there are certain days when we launch the class, Shreya, please be kindly note that only on that days. I think at Leap Scholar, you all have really, got used to these free cookies, right? When we go to McDonald's and all, we feel now, wow, a chicken burger only for $300. It's great. Let's buy it. But for IELTS, we are ready to pay 12,000, 14,000, to all the various platforms. Don't we all? Every student is paying. And mind you, your registration fees, your exam fee is 15,000. So what are you paying here? Just $499. And what all are you getting? Speaking facilities, access to the grammar club, free counseling. Like Aman, you just asked me about colleges, your profile evaluation. So there are a host of benefits. All of them are free. All you need to do is enroll with us, right? And then leave your worries to us. You won't have to give your IELTS exam again, guys. Yeah.
Yes, we do have different timings, and people were asking about reading. All these sections are covered. So we mentioned about speaking and writing especially because those are the things that you don't get on YouTube at all. So, no one can evaluate your writing on YouTube, or no one can evaluate your speaking via YouTube videos or something. So we do give you personalized attention as well. So in $499, you get proper feedback from trainers. You get your writings evaluated. Yes, you get study materials, Somaya. Ma'am, I daily try to pay. I'll post the link here. If you're not able to pay, Priya, please, connect with me. I'll give you a different link for that.
Yeah, so you don't, you see these, all the slides Sakshi is showing, we cover all the modules. Bala, I think you asked, I want to do complete course. So this is the complete course. It's a full crash course, right? We will cover all modules. Yes, the seats do get filled up very fast. Why? Because our courses are thank you, Chandan. Our courses are very, very affordable, like I told you, you don't have to really think about the amount at all because you're going to get the benefits which are immense. Yeah, and you've seen the link. Sometimes we even get the students who've got a 9 in listening and reading, just by being with us like you are here today.
Yes.
These are, the best results all across the country, right?
Yeah, there are daily, daily classes and, Wednesday to Sunday. So it's 5 days a week. It's a morning batch, and this is for 4 weeks. The other batch that we have is a 2-week batch. So if you're giving your exam in mid of March or, end of March as well, so you can complete the full course in 2 weeks. So content remains the same over here. As you can see, the timing is more. So for 2 weeks batch, the timing is more. It's from Monday to Friday every day, and the timing is also written over here. I'm just sharing the link. Also, sir, there's one thing. So
Yes,
if you
please.
pay before before 9:30, so you would be
Okay.
able to connect one-on-one with our trainers. I'll run a poll, and there would be 10 lucky winners who would be able to
Okay.
connect one-on-one with the trainers and talk to them and ask all their queries, how they can start, everything they can ask. So I'll just post the link here. And if there are any more queries, please
Great.
ask.
So I hope you all heard Sakshi. If you
Yeah.
register for any of the course, any of
Yeah.
the courses, right, Sakshi? Any of the courses. If you register for any of them till 9:30, guys, you will get a chance to speak to any one of us in detail. Like somebody asked, I got a 5.5, I want a 6.5. Sure, you might be one of those 10 lucky ones. 10 lucky winners will be I think anybody who registers, right, Sakshi?
Yes, we'll choose 10 people who register right now before 8:30.
10 people from all the people who registered, right?
Yes. So yes, if there are any more queries, please ask in the Q&A section. So we'll go back to the
We'll
session.
come back to our classes and we'll see you all in the, please stay on because I'm going to call lots of people. I want to see, and as audience, you know what? I will ask one of you also to judge and say, how was the feedback? How did this person speak? Okay. So we'll quickly go through the slides and then start speaking. Thank you guys. Thanks all who registered, not because of us. Thanks so that you can get a good grade and go to the college of your choice. So thanks is for that, right? We want to support the youth. We want to see the young people change our country's future. You are our future, right? Okay. Now let's have a quick look. This is grammatical range, means the kind of sentences which you are going to form, right? So don't worry, Vishal. We will make you much better in speaking that you are, I assure you. I can give you that confidence, okay? Now, the master classes are free. Please, you have to appreciate our concern and our help to you. Please appreciate it. Yeah.
Now,
Thank you so much.
Major query. It's only for academics.
Yeah.
We don't focus on general training. We focus on academics. Yes, Arisha.
Right. Okay. Sakshi, can we come to the slides, please, so that we can invite some of them? The speaking slides, part 1.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much. So like you are seeing, this is all, like how to express yourself. Have a look 1 second. The first question after your name and after your identity would be, what do you do? Are you working or are you a student? So, or they can ask you, what do you like to do in your spare time? So you can look at the short answer. I like shopping. And what is the ideal answer? Look at the tone I will speak in. Okay, I like shopping because I love trying on new clothes and I always feel more confident when I'm wearing something new. So your body language also, your tone, your intonation, your word stress, all this is important. Jatin, don't worry, I'll answer your question in the end, definitely, surely. Okay, now so you have to give answers with even your body language, your eye-to-eye contact with the examiner. That's important. We do have to wear a mask, but still try and smile, because that will help you with giving you confidence to your own self. You won't get nervous. Okay, yeah, so let's go on and let's see some questions and answers. So that quickly I would like you to raise your hands and see who would like to come up and speak. And mind you, I'm going to write down which team you belong to. All right, yeah, sure, Anish, definitely I will try to call as many people as I can. Okay, yes, Sakshi, we can. Yeah, look at the answer now. Don't say I love my job. I love my job because I get to help people with their problems every day, right? Okay, so now I'll call you. Okay, I see so many people want to speak and I am so happy to hear you speak. I would love to hear you speak. Okay, sure. So, Avnay, you first and then Anish. Sakshi, hi Mansi, we'll definitely try and call as many people. Reshma, definitely we'll try and call as many of you as we can.
Sir, which name did you say is the first one before Anish?
I said Avnay, I think. Avnay. AVNAY, right, Avnay?
I don't see. Okay.
Yeah, Anvay Ramesh. Aval Gaunkar.
Yes, Anvay, you can unmute yourself.
Thank you, Sakshi, so much for that.
Hi, Anvay, how are you?
Hi, Atul sir, how are you doing?
Good. Yeah, I can make out you have your English command is very good. Your command over English is very good.
Thank you.
Right
so
from the beginning, I could make out. Okay, where are you from, Avnay?
I'm from Pune.
You're from Pune. No wonder. Pune is a great city. Okay, so Avnay, can you tell me something about your hometown, please?
Yeah, definitely, I can tell you about that. So I'm from Pune. Pune is a very cosmopolitan area.
Right.
It has all life. It's a welcoming people are present here. And it's it has all the facilities that even every person can desire. And on the other hand, it has some beautiful job opportunities for the people coming from all the different parts of the world. And yes, absolutely. So there are a lot of other leisure activities and facilities that people can socialize on weekends, on work days.
Great. Avnay, that would be good because like I said in part 1, 2 sentences is good. You are good, Avnay. I'm so glad I chose you because you are the first person who spoke very well. However, I would just like to advise you that try to avoid and too much, right? We should try not to repeat. So try not to say and too much. Of course, we all take pauses, so I won't say that. And your vocabulary was good. Your flow was good. And I'm sure, you are capable of getting a very good band. So I hope I will be seeing you soon in one of our courses so that, your photograph should also be on the slides, right?
Yeah, definitely, sir. Definitely.
Okay, Anvay, great, but you did well. Okay. Yeah, Manisha, would you like to come next? Yes, Manisha.
Hello, sir.
The first
Good evening,
was
sir.
Avnay A, right? Team 1. Yes, Manisha.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Manisha. Where are you from and how are you?
I'm from Pune, sir. Pune is located in Maharashtra. It is a city of Maharashtra. I'm staying
good. We
in...
have a lot of people from Pune. Or maybe we are selecting the ones from Pune. Good.
And it is a nice city.
Are you ready to answer, Manisha?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now how has your hometown changed in the last few years?
I will answer this question.
Yes, Manisha.
My
Yeah.
hometown is changed a little, like their infrastructure.
I
The,
believe.
am I audible, sir?
Yes.
Yes. My like
You are
hometown is
audible,
changed.
but you have to speak fast. Yeah.
Okay, sir. My hometown is changed because is changed
Yes. Maybe
the
Sakshi, she's
past
having
10
some
years.
connection.
Sir, I'm not able to make out, like,
Yeah.
is it from your end or her end? I think there was a connectivity
Yeah,
issue from your
Manisha,
end. Or
I'm sorry, your connectivity is not as good, but also Manisha, you have to be very prompt in answering. Don't. I mean, always remember that. Like you could always answer. I'm giving an example also. While by side, well, my hometown has changed tremendously, or has changed dramatically in the last few years. A lot of flyovers and subways have been built. Also, a number of new shopping malls have sprung up. Two sentences, but well, like form them well. And don't take time to answer. All right. Okay. Thank you,
Okay, sir.
Manisha.
Okay.
Yeah. Now we can call Aisha. Aisha, please. Yeah. This was M. We are still in team 1, right? I'll have to choose people from team 2 now.
there are 2 Aisha, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Who was the Aisha who said, sir, please, I want to speak? That Aisha I would like to call, please.
Yeah, got it.
Yeah.
Yes, Aisha, go ahead.
Hi, Aisha.
Hello, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. How are you, Aisha?
I'm fine, sir. How about you, sir?
Very good. Very glad to be with all of you, right?
Thank you so much, sir. I'm also very grateful for attending this first class.
Wonderful. It's so nice. Okay, Aisha, tell me one thing. When
Yes.
you study, do you like to take breaks?
Actually, sir, I pursued my M Pharmacy. Currently, I'm located in Hyderabad.
Okay.
And I'm currently working as an assistant professor in Deccan School of Pharmacy,
Very
which
good.
is an esteemed institution. And I pursued my M Pharmacy over there from there only, sir.
Okay, but Aisha, I didn't really ask you. I mean, so nice you have. I mean, I love to know. It's so nice you introduce yourself. But the question
you,
I
sir.
asked you was, even if you finish your studies, you will have to answer the question accurately. So when you study, are you fond of taking breaks?
No, sir.
Okay. See, first of all, in IELTS speaking, you need not say sir, miss, madam. So let's assume you're in a speaking exam only, right? So if you say no, sir, it's a short answer. So you have to give me a longer answer, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Aisha. Next class, and I hope in the crash course, we'll help you to speak much better. You did well.
May I know, sir,
Yeah.
do you people also support me in order to get a PR thing, sir?
Yes, we do.
Yes,
We do.
sir.
Yeah.
Because, sir,
Okay.
it's
Yeah.
why I'm
You might
Yes,
not
ma'am.
be able to help with PR.
Yeah, we don't help. Sorry, as far as the general students, we really don't help them. As far as we are focusing more on the academic, no? Academic one. We don't really.
This kind of conversation and this kind of webinar, sir, which you people are holding, it's a great.
Thank you,
and
Aisha.
what I
Thank you
think
so
we are-
much. I really appreciate your, appreciation, and I'm so glad that you are enjoying. So even otherwise, we will help you as much as we can. Okay.
Thank you so much, sir, and
Thank you.
Sakshi, ma'am.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
yeah, thank you. Next,
Priyanka,
Mike.
yes, would you like to come? Yes. Now I'm calling from team 2. Right now, it's team 2 begins now.
Yes.
Okay, yes, Priya, you are next. Fine.
Oh my God, sir, there are like 3 to 4 Priyas.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'll look at the full name. Okay, anyway.
Yeah, Priya, you can go ahead.
Yeah. Hi, Priya. Hi, Priya.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Good evening, Priya. Priya, I want to ask you, what kind of clothes are you fond of wearing?
Sir, I fond of wearing different type of clothes,
Hmm.
and according to the ceremonies, I want to wear.
Mhm.
Uh,
Yeah, please carry on. Don't get nervous. Please carry on. Okay, I'll tell
mostly
you,
I
Priya.
want to wear casual.
Yeah, good. See, Priya, I said in the beginning, now this is like a class also for everybody. So I said in the beginning, we should use topic specific vocabulary. So when asked, what kind of clothes are you fond of wearing? So first of all, your answer has to be spontaneous because the examiner won't give you time, right? That means your English fluency should be very good. if the sentences should flow very naturally. So you can say, well, I'm fond of wearing trendy but comfortable clothes. So what did I use? Trendy but comfortable clothes. Most of the time, I like to dress up casually. However, for specific occasions, I love to wear traditional clothes. Now, isn't that better, Priya?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
No, we'll all help you to improve. That's why I said each one of you is good, but you all need improvement. I also do, right? Each one of us does. Thank you, Priya.
So
You
I
are
took
team 2.
exam recently.
Sorry?
So I took exam recently
Okay.
and I got overall 6 bands.
So you want to give it again, right?
Yes, sir. I want to
Yeah.
increase my
So
band
definitely
scores.
many students have joined us who gave the exam earlier and they've done much better in their second attempt. So please join us. I assure you, you'll do much better, right?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, so we had said next was Sakshi.
Yes. Next, we'll go with Sibyl.
Let's take, we know from team 2 now. Let's try and take somebody from team 2. Okay,
Sibyl,
Khushpreet. Can we call Khushpreet, please?
Okay.
Thank you, Sakshi.
Yeah. Yes, Khushpreet. Hello, Khushpreet. Please.
Hi, Khushpreet. How are you? Khushpreet, are you able to unmute? Okay, Sakshi, maybe we'll call Shivani Bhatnagar.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Khushpreet. Okay. Hello.
Hello, sir. How are you?
Good, Khushpreet. Absolutely fine. How are you doing?
I'm good. I'm doing good.
So have your parents got their vaccination or not?
Not yet.
Okay. You must help them. Nowadays, children are taking their parents for their vaccination. No?
Yeah, sure. I'll get them vaccinated as soon as possible.
Great. So, Khushpreet, when you go out with your friends, what are the topics of conversation?
It's a burning topic, sir. Like media, whatever is going in the society, and one more thing, like in society, whatever is going on, and just gossiping, chatting, talking about other friends. So many things we do when we meet together.
Okay. Khushpreet, you answered fine, but let me tell you, you're giving a formal interview in the IELTS speaking exam, right? So we have to answer in a little formal way, a better way. So you could say, and in speaking, you can use idioms, right? Yes, Gokul. That's what I was saying. In writing, you can't, but in speaking, you can. So you can say, well, when I go out with my friends, the topics are right from anything under the sun. They range from food to movies, films, to career, to business, to boyfriends, etc. Although you shouldn't say etc. Right, Khushpreet?
Oh, okay, sir. Sure.
We definitely help you. You are doing good. I thank you for coming here. But Khushpreet, join us, improve so that you don't have to repeat your IELTS exam again. Okay?
Yes, sure, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, Khushpreet. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, sir.
Okay.
You're welcome.
Yeah. Okay, now we can come back to team 1. Ankur?
Sir, Shivani.
Okay, Shivani, yes. After that, can we call Ankur Tripathi, please?
Yeah.
Yes, Shivani.
Hello, sir. Good evening. How are you?
Hi, Shivani. I am absolutely enjoying myself. I'm really enjoying myself being with all
Thank
of
you so much for all these sessions. I just registered myself yesterday and I'm really enjoying your classes. Thank you so much for this, Dean.
Great. We are all so happy that you all are, admitting or you are saying and appreciating that you are enjoying, because when one does efforts, it's really nice to receive appreciation. So great.
Yes.
Okay. Shivani, tell me, which part of the day are you most fond of?
I'm most fond of the part of the day like in the morning, because I wake up with a positive attitude. Like I'll go to work and I'll enjoy what I do. So I'm a physiotherapist and I really like treating patients and getting connected with them. So I really enjoy like my mornings.
Good, Shivani. Good answer. And I'm so glad, like you're the physiotherapist and you said you're enjoying, you're helping, you're doing such a noble task. Thank you, Shivani.
Thank you so much, sir.
You did well. Thank you, Shivani. Great.
Thank
you,
sir.
So guys, till now, who do you think, you are also our judges, which team, 1 or 2, which is doing better? Let me have your feedback. Yes. What do you all feel? Yes, Shivani was good. Certainly, I agree. Definitely, I agree. Okay, Rajesh,
Thank you,
some
sir.
people say team 1, some are saying team 2, right? We hope it's one of the team wins. We don't have a tie-up, right? Okay, great. Wonderful. Team 2, team 1. Shivani was the best. I do agree. I do admit. Right?
Thank you, sir. I'm so happy.
Thank you, Shivani. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Yes.
Yeah.
Ankur,
Okay,
you can go next.
Saransh, would you like
Yeah,
to
hello.
come up now? Saransh, would you like to come? Okay, we'll give.
Sir, I want to.
Yeah, sure. We'll give Surkar a chance, definitely.
Yes,
Hi,
Ankur.
Shivani.
It's Ankur, sir.
Okay, Ankur. Hi, Ankur.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
How are you?
Good. Ankur, I like your name. What does your name mean?
My name is Ankur, sir. It means the beginning of anything. It could be anything. So it's called Ankur, like in the.
Okay, I
for
understand.
anything it could
Yes. Okay, great. So who gave you your name, Ankur?
be. My grandfather, actually.
Okay. In your country, who normally names the children?
In my country, actually, normally grandparents give the name to their grandson or granddaughter.
Okay, great. Very nice, Ankur. You spoke well. But try to elaborate and try to give in the beginning, when I said, okay, Ankur, one more thing which I want to ask you. Like I asked in the beginning, if I ask you what is your full name, how will you answer?
My full name is Ankur Tripathi.
Good. You could also say, I am Ankur Tripathi. Huh? The I''M. That shows a little better level of English, right? Just a tip. All right.
Okay.
So Ankur, it's the beginning. I hope today is the beginning of your IELTS preparation also. Seriously, like join and do well. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Thank you,
sir.
Ankur. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Priya, I just said you could say like I am Priya so and so. Instead of saying my full name, I''M, right? Okay, and now who are we calling? Jineth? Because we don't have much time, but Saransh, okay, sure. Can we call Saransh? I'm trying to alternate the teams also, right?
Yes, Saransh, go ahead.
Hello. Yes, sir. Good evening.
Saransh, how are you?
I am fine, sir. How are you, sir?
Good. Saransh, did you enjoy your class today?
Yes, absolutely. I am enjoying your class, sir.
Okay, so you tell me one thing, Saransh. Like,
Yes, sir.
what are some of the things you forget to do in a hurry?
Sir, when I was getting late for my college, that time I was in hurry.
Right. So what are some of the things you forgot?
So there are lots of things like sometime I forgot to complete my projects. Sometime I forgot to complete my assignments.
Okay, good. So Saransh, you speak fine. I don't find any grammatical flaws, but
Okay.
I'm sure we can all do with a little bit of improvement. Like speaking is all about throwing in some uncommon words, like, forming better sentences. So you're doing
Okay,
good,
sir.
but I hope that, again, we'll have a lot to see you and give you feedback and help you to improve more. But you did fine.
Okay, sir.
And thank you,
Yes,
Saransh,
sir.
for coming. Yeah.
Sir, I am very grateful to join your class.
I'm glad. We are equally glad, Saransh. The pleasure is always ours because, like I said, we really want to encourage young people.
And
we
sir,
want
it is
you all to do
really,
extremely well. Okay.
yeah, sir, it is really very helpful for us.
Thank you. Okay, can we give Surkar a chance now? He's been messaging a lot. I would love to call each of you, Dhanya or Sahil.
Hello,
I
sir.
really feel bad because of the shortage of time. Yes, Sukar.
Hello, sir.
How are you?
Very fine, sir. First of all,
How
I
are
would
you
like
doing,
to,
Sukar?
I would like
Okay, I
to
wanted to
thank
ask
Leap
Sukar.
Scholar.
Sorry.
First of all, I would like to thank Leap Scholar for giving us a chance to meet such an intriguing personality like you.
No, Sukar, if the pleasure is totally ours, believe me and trust me. Our students have done well, and that is our biggest satisfaction. That is something which we really take pride on. When you all get good results, and that's wonderful. Okay, Sukar. Now, which city do you belong to?
Sir, I belong to Bathinda, which is situated in Punjab.
Yes. Okay. And Sukhar, do you get along with your neighbors?
Actually, sir, I am not living with neighbors. I'm living with my family only. My house is on the main road.
Okay. So can you describe the area where you live?
Yes, sir. The area is really improving day by day, and I'm happy that I'm the main road, which means I'm connecting to the whole city properly, and I can connect to all the parts of the city, which helps me easy to commute.
Good, good, Sukar. Nice, thank you. So, thank you so much, Sukar. Thank you for
sir.
answering well also. And informing us about Batenda, right? Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, Janet, you think which team? I don't know. Sakshi, do we have time for one more student?
Yes, we can take one
Okay,
last student.
sure. So should we call Mitali or Janet? So I'll call from team 1 now, right?
Yes.
Yes, Janet. Yeah, Janet, if you want, can we unmute Janet?
Yes. Before that, just informing that we have last few seats left in the 5-week batch. So I'm really
Okay,
sorry
I think
for
Sakshi,
interrupting.
please, guys, please listen to Sakshi. While we were all enjoying our listening and speaking and, like interacting with each other, the course has already got filled up. So there are just few seats left. So
Yes.
all of you, don't you think you would like to be one of the lucky winners?
Yes, the 5-week course is starting this Saturday. So
Okay.
it's just like in 2 days that batch is going to start. So
Okay.
do join in. Yes, I've sent the link. Last few seats are left. I won't be able to, accommodate later because the price is
Right.
too low, like $499. You don't get anything lower than that.
Of course,
All right.
Sakshi, it's an unbelievable offer. So let me ask one thing, like in team 1, how many of you are joined today? Just let me have an idea. Please raise your hands, team 1. How many of you have joined today? Sakshi, how many have raised their hands?
Oh my God. So I see 79, 83, 87, 90, 92.
Maybe 100?
Yes, now let's see with...
Good. And what about team 2? We can't leave team 2 behind, right? So team 2, how many of you have joined today? Is that an equal number to team 1, Sakshi, or no?
No, team 2 seems to be less. I don't know
Less?
why.
Back up team 2. I thought team 2 was speaking so well, right?
Yes, I think team 2 is overconfident.
Yes, overconfident, very nice, but we would love to help you to improve, no?
Yes, we want your names, to
Yeah,
be
so
on our
Saida,
list.
we said after M is all team 2. A to M alphabetically was team 1 and M to Z or Z like they say was team 2. Right? Okay, Janet. Anyway, I would love
Yes.
that team 2 does not stay behind. Please also raise your hands in the end, right? Janet, your turn, please.
Yes, sir. Very good evening, sir.
Good evening. How are you, Janet? How are you doing?
I am fine, sir. And what about you?
Very good, Janet. Very good. Okay, tell me, I want to ask you a very small question, Janet. Like, do you think free time is important in life?
Well, that's an interesting question because I think with the fast-paced world, free time gives opportunity to a person to figure out what's happening in the life, and it's a best time where person can contemplate about the things that's happening or that's that take place in his or her surrounding.
Good, Janet. Very good. I think the words you use like contemplate and all were like very nice. It's very good. Like I said, I'll give you another small tip. When they ask you, like these are all questions straight from IELTS exams. Okay. Now, if they ask you this question, you could use the word introspect. That in my free time, I like to introspect. That is be within me, look or go within myself. We can try to use, but accurately, right? But good, Janet. Overall, you did very well, very well. So I would like to say that we had a lovely session today. The speakers were absolutely amazing. And I really hope that all of you will join us, and we look forward that each of you will clear your IELTS today in the first exam. Okay? Is it done? Great, guys. So are you all happy? Are you all determined to clear your IELTS exam? Again, I'm repeating, in the first attempt. I don't want anybody repeating and wasting your parents' money, right? That's our resolution. Great, great. So I think the teams had a tie-up, right? Don't you all agree with me? Yes, the teams had a tie-up. Both were very good. Correct? Sakshi, you have to tell me as far as team 2 raise their hand. Team 2, please raise your hands for the course. Who all joined? I don't want team 2 to lag behind, please. From M to Z. Yes. Great, Padma. You're the one who's beginning after M, right? Okay, Sakshi, would you please like to answer something? Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you. really we are, like appreciate your efforts for coming here and for enjoying and staying through the whole session.
Yes. Also, as I asked, if you all want to get your profiles evaluated by experts.
Yeah.
So by profile evaluation, what I mean is that you are, planning to study abroad, go for September intake or so, and you want to know which colleges should you select as per your marks that you've had. If you want any help with that, we help you free of cost for that as well. So if you are interested
yes.
in
You
knowing
are
more
not,
about
there's
it,
nothing confusing. Sure, Sakshi will show you again the Telegram link. You can join the Telegram link. And if you register, see, this is if you register before 9:30, you get a chance, 10 people, we'll announce the lucky winners tomorrow. So you'll get a chance to clear all your doubts with any one of us for free. Okay. So do join in, please be one of the lucky 10 winners, which we'll announce tomorrow. Okay.
yes, I'll just post the link for crash course again.
Yeah. Thank you,
And
Jaspreet.
yeah.
Yes.
I'm posting the link for everything. And if you all have any queries, feel free to ask right now. You can ask in the chat box if you're facing any.
Sakshi, can we zoom the link a bit? Could you just show this link, please?
Yeah, I'll post the link in the chat so you can just
Okay,
click
great.
there
Yes.
and join in.
So any more questions? Anybody? Yes, Pritesh, sure. You must come at the master classes. Don't worry if you're a beginner. We are all there to help you, right? Don't worry if you're a beginner or not. It's not important. Fine, Avney, I do agree, but you speak well. If your exam is on the 13th, then also you can always come for the master classes, right? And I would suggest there's no harm if you, like join the weekend course. You can still attend it twice, this weekend and next. So that would also help you. The amount is very negligible.
Yes, and
You
also
try,
it's
I'm
2
just saying
hours.
it for your benefit.
Yeah, it's 2 hours every day, so you'll cover a lot in just one
Absolutely.
day.
You get 4 hours of intensive coaching. And let me tell you, see, IELTS, like any exam, it requires thorough preparation. I'm sure all of you agree, right? That it requires preparation. Speaking is something you can't practice with yourself. So you need a partner. That's what Leap Scholar is there for. Writing also, it's very essential that you get feedback. You should know where you need to improve. Because IELTS, like so many of you said, I got an overall 6. So writing or, reading sometimes brings you down. So please try and improve on the section in which you are weak. Analyze. So don't worry, we will also help you. All right.
Yes.
So
Also,
Faisal, if you're from September, you should try and give the IELTS exam. The scores are always valid for 2 years, but do try and join as soon as you can. Okay.
Yes. Sir Jatin was constantly asking. He got 5.5 before, and now he wants to score 6.5. Is there
I
any
can assure you, you'll definitely get it. I'm sure you will. Right? Work hard and be with us and practice a lot. Hard work never goes waste, right?
Yeah. Also, how can I get personal feedback? Yes, Jagpreet. So as I said, we have speaking club. So, you can book a slot with us and you will be able to, and you will be able to connect one-on-one with our trainers. For $4.99, you're getting
Yeah,
so
for $4.99, you're getting the study material also. And one thing more I wish to clear, Sakshi, maybe we didn't say, somebody says, I'm a professional and I could, maybe if you're not able to attend the classes, you will get the recordings of each and every class. So see, at $4.99, if you miss a class also, you'll get the recordings. You get the study material, you get access to grammar and speaking clubs. And then like Sakshi said, you can do a profile evaluation. You can speak to our counselors for free. So don't you think this is like a takeoff? Airplanes take off, no? This is a takeoff for you, right? I'm sure you all agree with me. Pavanpreet, that will depend on your college, right? If you want to improve, definitely you please join us. Otherwise, it's entirely up to you. Ask your counselor.
Validity of study materials. So, you can access it as many times as you want. So it will be there on your dashboard. So once you pay us, you will have a dashboard of your own where you will get the recordings. You will get the recordings. You can book the slot for speaking session as well. You will get the study material.
One of you has asked, that will I be able to 2 weeks? Will I be able to clear? Well, please rest assured. We will definitely cover all the 4 modules. You'll have mock tests. all your doubts will be cleared. We have a doubt clarification session also. So, Leap Scholar is determined that if we are having courses, we will definitely prepare you in all 4 sections, right? I hope I've cleared your doubt.
Yes, and to connect with us, do join the Telegram group. We do a lot of exercises there as well for free. So we post vocabulary, we do reading tasks, writing, everything. We practice a lot on Telegram as well, and we post free content there. So,
all those who are mentioning my speaking is poor, please don't worry. Like we said, we have a speaking club. You can be the audience every day. There will be slots every day by different, coaches. So you can pick up those slots and you can enjoy sessions. Also, we will have in the crash course itself, like you can see in the master class today, right? We did some speaking with you all despite about 600 people being there. So there you will be few of you and you will speak with us, interact with us. So definitely you'll improve your speaking. Same case with reading. Whatever your doubts, true, false, matching headings. I know you all must be having doubts in many question types in reading. So we'll definitely in your mock test, we'll tell you once you fared that this is the score you got. This is where you need to improve.
Yes. So, sir, I'll take up doubts for 5 minutes.
Thank you and a goodbye, everybody. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Okay, thanks again. Thank you, Sakshi.
Navneet,
Good night, everybody.
Good night, sir. Navneet, for general training, we won't be able to help you out. ID for Telegram, it's at leapscholar_prep_IELTS_prep. Jatin, thank you so much. All right. It's enough, Jatin. I think people have understood. You can stop spamming. For September intake, how early? Faisal, you should definitely start, preparing at least because, you need to get a minimum of certain band for colleges. So it depends on what band you require. How many years? IELTS is valid for the IELTS exam. Your scores are valid for 2 years. With these are short courses. So it'll end in 5 weeks for the weekend batch. It ends in 5 weeks. Then we have 2 weeks and 4-week course. So as the name suggests, it's a 4-week course and this one is a 2-week. All the timings and when it starts, what is covered, everything is mentioned in this. Ma'am, recordings, Krishna, I shared my personal link with you, so you can connect with me. I'm sharing it again, Krishna, your name went up. Yeah, I'll try to help you out. All right, working professional, how much time is required? Smith, if your proficiency is good in English, so you definitely do require less time. I've paid today. Guys, please don't send personal chats. I think a lot of people are requesting that. Can you unmute? Smith, I want to cover as many queries as possible. You can connect with us on the group. So don't worry about that. I will definitely respond to each and every one of you there. Rishabh, yes, the recordings are being uploaded for the new batch. So don't worry about that. You'll definitely get it soon. All right, if there are any more queries, I'll take it up on the Telegram group. I won't be able to, answer everything right now. I'm posting the link for the Telegram group again, so you can join in. Okay, thank you, Jatin. You have posted that. I think it's enough, Jatin. Aman, I won't be able to help you out with the minimum band. Actually, I'm not a counselor, so I won't be able to, I don't want to give wrong information, but I'm posting the link for connecting with our counselors. So they'll help you out. Jatin, please don't spam. I would have to, remove you from the meeting. I'm just requesting you. Yeah. Can we clear IELTS in 2 weeks? If you work hard with us, you can definitely do it. Telegram isn't opening, you should have the Telegram app, and then you can just type in Leap Scholar _IELTS _prep, and you'll be able to find us. 5 week, your exam is on 13th of Anvay, your exam, you said 13th. I'm not sure, is it April or March? There is no class at 9 p.m. today. Harshal, the speaking club has already begun. You can ask your queries on the batch group, and we'll answer and help you out there. We are 13th of what? We've written 13. Or is it March or April? If it's April, then 5 weeks. If it's March, then you don't have much time. That's what I can. Yeah, if it's March, then I don't think we can help you much there. Yes, all the courses include writing feedback, speaking feedback, everything. 28th March CBT, you can go for 2 weeks because then you will be able to practice by yourself as well. Yes, Hridaya, thank you for asking. All right, so thank you all for joining in. We'll do speaking tomorrow at 7:30 again, and at 9 o'clock again we'll have a master class tomorrow where we'll cover writing. Harshal, if you haven't received the link, I'm sharing a link from where you can access your profile. So just click on that, you will be able to get my ID. Okay, I'll just share my ID so you all can, please don't bombard me with messages, but if you have major queries, you can message me at this link. Nikita, if your English is already good, it's up to you if you want to take the crash course, because the crash course will actually help you to escalate your band. If you're already good, why not get a better band? And what are you investing? Just $4.99. You're not paying, you're actually investing in yourself. So that's what I would say. Japri, for personal speaking feedback, you will have to go to the website and you will be able to book a slot. Anvay, I've already shared my personal link also. You can message me and I'll help you out. I won't be able to call. Please message me, I'll help you out. Cool. Thank you so much everyone for joining in. Hope to see you all tomorrow as well in the master classes. These master classes are every day, and I hope most of you join the crash course because that will obviously help you more. Thank you, Jyotsna. Good night. Okay. Good night, everyone. Priyanka, sorry for that. I have no control in that. It's not working. And I do, you can please download the Telegram app and then you will be able to open all the links. Good night, Hridaya. I'm just sharing the link again. Please do try. I've already got a lot of messages, so definitely the link is working. Okay, if you've connected on the group, okay, I'll reply over there. Cool. All right, thank you so much. See you all tomorrow. Good night, everyone.